Hi everyone, Miss Frank here to do the daily calendar review. So here we are on the last day of the week, and it is Friday. All right, so today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. You want to say that with me? Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. All right, and we are going to find out our pattern piece for today. So I so far have sun, sun, flower. What do you think is going to come next? Were you right? Did you say flower? Excellent. All right, so here I have another completed part of my pattern, and we will do Saturday and Sunday on Monday. All right, so if today is Friday, what was yesterday? Thursday. Excuse me. If today is Friday, what's tomorrow going to be? Saturday. After Friday comes Saturday. All right, last question. What is the day before the 8th? The 7th. Excellent. And what is the day after the 8th? The 9th. Okay, time for our spiral review. Come on over here to Friday. Create an AAB. Oh, let me read that again. I think I made a mistake. Create an AABB pattern and circle the core. I'm going to give you a few minutes to get that done. All right, boys and girls, if you have not had a chance to finish, that is a-okay. Just go ahead and press pause on Miss Frank and finish up, and then come back when you're ready. All right, so if I'm going to create an AABB pattern, I am going to do it with colors today. So I'm going to go A, B, B. And then I come back to the blue, and I go A, and then I come back to the red and B, B. Now the last thing I have to do is circle my core. So I've created my AAB pattern, and here is my core. Blue, blue, red, red. Excellent. All right, time for the next question. I have 5 and 0. What is my whole? All right, what is my whole? Did you say 5? Excellent. When I have 5 and 0, I know the answer to it is 5. So 5 and 0 is 5. All right. Next, I have 10. 10. What is 1 less? Get that number on your paper. I have 9. That is great. I have 9. So 1 less than 10 is 9. Okay, last question. Count by tens. Here are a lot. Let's see. I know you guys are up to the challenge. You've got this. All right, let's go ahead and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. OMG, 90. So I know I have to write 90. And if I want to write 90, first comes a 9 and then a 0. So there is my 90. Excellent. All right, that is our last question for the week. I hope you all have a great day and a great weekend. I love you so much, and I miss you. Bye-bye.